Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is July 15th, 2021 and we're going to be harvesting some red beets out of here today. So we planted these earlier in the season in our raised bed that we have here. Now we've had this for, I forget how many years we've had this raised bed. But it grows, we grow our red beets in it and they do very well for us. Some years they do better than others.
Ready for this one?
Here, let's see here. Oh wow, look at that thing. That thing is huge. Here, put that in your hand once. Look how big that thing is. And these are the Detroit Dark Reds.
It's been a wacky year. That whole back row is transplanted. And this row over here.
This one.
Yeah, and a lot in between was transplanted too.
So, one thing we do with our red beets, when you plant your red beet seeds, they have multiple seeds on one seed. So it's sort of like a seed pod with multiple seeds on it and in it. So what we actually do is after ours come up, we transplant them. And especially if we get like multiple ones at one spot. And I did a video before on how to transplant the red beets. So the ones along the side that are a little smaller, they were transplanted. They just didn't grow as large yet. There's one. I knew some were transplanted, but I wasn't sure which ones they were. There's one there, I can't reach it. Thank you.
Yeah. There you go.
Yep.
Try them to get a little bit bigger than that, maybe.
So some of them we are letting them in to get a little bit larger. Yep, and some of them we're taking out.
You gotta get enough for a can or something.
So we pickle our red beets and then we can them, so we want enough for a canner full.
There you go.
You want this one to get bigger here? You want that one to get, it's like right beside another one.
Let's take this guy out here.
Okay. Yeah, I can't reach them where I'm at. And we also thin some of the larger red beets out, and that'll let some of the smaller ones that are beside them grow as well then.
Here we got 4 of them.
You got 4 of them there.
5, 1, 2.
Yeah, you can thin
4.
some of those out.
This one here, not too big, but he's crowded.
Yeah. When you thin them out, it's going to make them grow larger.
Okay. Michael's behind you.
Okay.
You can use the leaves for a sandwich.
Yeah, we cut the leaves up and we put them in our salads. And my mom sometimes will use them for like in place of bread if she wants a sandwich.
Splitting.
That one's split.
Watch, hopefully it don't get woody.
Sure. Oh, okay.
What do we got out there?
So we pulled about 24 red beets out. And those things are that's a very impressive red beet there for how large it is.
Two themselves are just big.
Yeah, they're really big. So we break the tops off of them.
That's good in compost or whatever.
Or you can put them in your salads. They're really good in salads. And we're going to get that done with all of these then. And then we're going to be cooking them for a while to get where we can get the skins off of them. And then we'll be pickling them and canning them. So we left these in here. Should be enough for another canner. We are going to be planting more red beets for a fall crop. And Mikey came out with us today. He wants in here, but he can't go in because we don't want him to accidentally dig a red beet up. No, we don't.
Baby.
So these here are the baby red beet leaves, and they're the best. Some of the other ones can get a little tough from getting so large, but you can go ahead and eat them. They're nice and tender, and they have a really good flavor to them.
Yeah.
They're good.
This bag has a hole in it.
So if you liked my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!